Hey everyone, I'm going to take a walk down the fence line and you can get an idea of what the property looks like and how many posts had to go in. So right now we're at the northwest corner near the front of the property. So this is right alongside on the neighbor's side. See, the post heights aren't exactly all the same. I'll trim those up after the fencing is up and let it follow the contour of the property. This first section is a little over 500 feet long. I'm going to switch to my side. So now the property next to me isn't actually an empty field. Here's the first break point. There's a power pole right here. And this is where the power comes for the house. It actually goes underground. But I broke the fencing up across here so they can service the pole. And I can just remove that one small section. There's also a power pole at the back corner here. So I had to end it just a little early, and then I'm going to cut a piece diagonally again to exclude that pole from the fenced area so that they can work on it if they need to. And then there's going to be a gate right here. And then in the back of the property, it's about a 35, 40-foot right-of-way. So I've left that open. I call it the animal crossing. So the deer and other animals can still get along the properties here. You see my neighbor's got a privacy fence. So if I had blocked that, it would force them to try to breach my fence or the neighbor's. So this is the back side of the property. Just a single straight shot. This is about 250 feet wide. I'm using Red Brand fencing, and here you can see a corner set up, and I'm doing it exactly to their specs on their website. So I've got the tensioners on here, I've got the cable. The posts are actually 8-foot long posts, so I went a little higher. The fence is 4 foot, the posts are sticking up about 5.5 feet. So there's going to be 2 rows of wire above the fence. It'll be a wire like barbed wire, but without the barbs. So that'll give me some additional height. So this is the final run. This is the east side of the property, heading back towards the road. You see it's kind of wooded on the side. There's a pretty wide barrier, just a little buffer between me and the other neighbor. So he left that natural to give us a natural separation. comes the chickens. They want to see what's going on. I had to break here again for this collection of trees here. Not sure exactly what I'm gonna do here yet, but I'm probably just gonna cut a piece and follow the contour there, and then maybe put some spikes along the trees to keep squirrels from climbing. Speaking of squirrels, there they go. And then this is the final section. Again, we're still on the east side of the property, heading back towards the main road. Just finished with that last post about an hour ago. About the end here, you can see the vinyl rail fence didn't quite line up exactly with the fence. It's about 8 inches off, but it's very noticeable, and that's on both sides, so I'm gonna have to realign the vinyl fence, make it match up with this one. Once that realignment's done, I'll put some sort of fencing, some sort of welded wire on the back side of the vinyl fence. We've got the double gates over there, put some gate controllers on there. And that hopefully will keep the deer and the neighbors' dogs out and keep our dogs in. There you go. Next step, putting all the fencing, the actual welded wire fencing up.